My dear friend, building credit in 2025 is your ticket to financial freedom. A solid credit score can unlock better loans, apartments, and even job opportunities. With the right starter credit cards, designed for beginners with low fees and rewarding perks, you can boost your score while keeping things simple and fun. Ready to kickstart your credit journey? Let's explore the best cards for 2025. Card number 1, Capital One Quicksilver Secured Cash Rewards. Credit card. Earn unlimited 5% cash back on hotels, vacation rentals, and rental cars booked through Capital One Travel. Earn unlimited 1.5% cash back on every purchase every day. No annual or hidden fees, and you can earn unlimited 1.5% cash back on every purchase every day. See if you're approved in seconds. Put down a refundable $200 security deposit to get at least a $200 initial credit line. Building your credit using a card like this responsibly could help. No annual or hidden fees. See if you're approved in seconds. Earn back your $200 security deposit as a statement credit when you follow card best use practices, such as making payments on time. Be automatically considered for a higher credit in 6 months with no additional deposit. Enjoy peace of mind with $0 fraud liability so that you won't be responsible for unauthorized charges. You could earn back your security deposit as a statement credit when you use your card responsibly, like making payments on time. Be automatically considered for a higher credit line in as little as 6 months with no additional deposit needed. Earn unlimited 5% cash back on hotels, vacation rentals, and rental cars booked through Capital One Travel. Monitor your credit score with CreditWise from Capital One. It's free for everyone. Card number 2, Chase Freedom Rise annual fee, $0. Welcome offer, none card type S student credit builder purchase. April 25th, 99% variable rewards. Rate 1.5% cash back on all purchases. Benefits. Earn a $25 statement credit after signing up for automatic payments within the first 3 months of opening your account and remain enrolled for at least 90 days. A total balance of at least $250 in Chase checking or savings accounts can increase your chances of approval. Track your credit score with Chase Credit Journey. Your account is automatically evaluated yearly to see if you can upgrade to a Chase Freedom Unlimited card. To qualify for an upgrade, you must have an open Freedom Rise account, purchased something using your Freedom Rise card in the past 12 months, made on-time payments to all lenders in the past 12 months, no suspended Chase accounts. In addition to this upgrade opportunity, responsibly using your Freedom Rise card could also help you qualify for other Chase credit cards. Why we like this card for beginners. The Chase Freedom Rise provides an excellent introduction to credit cards with no annual fee and a simple rewards rate. In addition, there's a special offer for Chase banking customers. If you have at least $250 in Chase checking or savings accounts, you receive increased approval odds for the Chase Freedom Rise. Card number 3, Pedal 2. Visa credit card annual fee, $0. Welcome offer, none card type as secured credit builder purchase. April 28th, 99%, 30.99% variable rewards. Rate 1% cash back on all purchases to start after opening 1.25% cash back after making 6 on-time monthly payments, 1.5% cash back after making 12 on-time monthly payments. There's no official upgrade path for the Pedal 2 Visa, but responsible use could help you qualify for better rewards credit cards. Why we like this card. The Pedal 2 Visa doesn't require a security deposit, and there's no credit check needed to see if you're pre-approved. With this card, you don't have to worry about an annual late foreign transaction or returned payment fee. You can earn a credit line increase in as little as 6 months by making qualifying on-time payments. Card number 4, Chime Secured Credit Card Builder Visa Credit Card annual fee, $0. Welcome offer, none card types secured credit builder recommended credit score, no credit history required. Purchase APR NNA benefits. Chime reports your activity to all 3 major credit bureaus. No annual or monthly fees. No credit checks necessary to apply, and no minimum security deposit required. There's no official upgrade path for the Chime Secured Credit Builder asterisk. However, regularly using your card and making on-time payments could help you qualify for a better credit card. Why we like this card. The Chime Secured Credit Builder doesn't require a credit check to apply, which could be helpful if you have a limited credit history or bad credit. You still have to put down a security deposit, but there's no minimum required amount. That's different from most secured credit cards, which require a minimum deposit of $200 to $300. Card number 5, U.S. Bank Altitude, Registered Trademark Go Secured Visa, Registered Trademark Card, annual fee, $0. Welcome offer, none card types secured, rewards purchase, April 29th, 24% variable 4x points on dining, takeout, and restaurant delivery, up to $2,000 spent each quarter, 2x points at eligible gas stations and EV charging stations, 2x points at eligible grocery stores and on streaming services, 1x points on all other purchases. Submit a security deposit of $300 to $5,000 $5,000, which acts as your credit limit. Get a $15 annual streaming credit for services like Netflix or Spotify. Choose your payment due date. You may automatically graduate to a U.S. Bank Altitude Go Visa signature card and have your security deposit returned with responsible card usage. Why we like this card for earning everyday rewards. Few secured credit cards provide better rewards on everyday purchases than the U.S. Bank Altitude Go secured Visa. In fact, many unsecured cards can't match this card's earning potential. That includes earning 4x points on dining, takeout, and restaurant delivery, as well as 2x points on streaming services, grocery stores, and at gas stations and EV charging stations. The 4x earning rate is the real winner here, especially for foodies, but the 2x rate is great for other common expenses. Card number 6, Bank of America registered trademark unlimited cash rewards, secured credit card, annual fee $0. Welcome offer, none card type says. Secured cashback purchase, April 28, 24% variable rewards, rate 1.5% cashback on all purchases. Use the card to establish, strengthen, or even rebuild your credit. There's no limit to the amount of cash back you can earn, and rewards don't expire as long as your account remains open. You can access your FICO registered trademark score updated monthly for free within your mobile banking app, or in online banking, set your own credit limit by putting down a security deposit of $200 to $5,000. Then you may qualify to have your security deposit returned based on periodic Bank of America account reviews. Why we like this card. Secured credit cards require security deposits that typically equal your available credit limit. That means if you put down a $1,000 security deposit, you could have a $1,000 credit limit. The issue with many secured cards is that they tend to have low security deposits, which means you don't get much of a credit line. That could be problematic for actually using your card to make purchases, and it's easier to have a high credit utilization ratio with a low credit limit, which could impact your credit score. With the Bank of America Unlimited Cash Rewards secured, you can deposit up to $5,000, giving you plenty of credit to work with. Card number 7, U.S. Bank Cash Plus, registered trademark, secured Visa, registered trademark, card annual fee $0. Welcome offer, none card type is secured, credit builder purchase, April 29th, 24% variable rewards rate 5% cash back on 2 categories of your choice each quarter, such as home utilities, electronic stores, or cell phone providers, up to $2,000 in combined quarterly spending, 5% cash back on prepaid air, hotel, and car reservations, booked through the Rewards Travel Center, 2% cash back on one everyday category, such as gas and EV charging stations, grocery stores, or restaurants, 1% cash back on all other purchases. Benefits: submit a security deposit of $300 to $5,000, which acts as your credit limit. Choose your payment due date. The U.S. Bank Cash Plus secured Visa has a $0 annual fee and an excellent rewards rate. It reports your card activity to the 3 major credit bureaus, allowing you to build your credit history over time. With responsible use, you could automatically graduate to a U.S. Bank Cash Plus registered trademark Visa signature registered trademark card and have your security deposit returned. Card number 8, Bank of America registered trademark customized cash rewards secured card, annual fee $0. Welcome offer, none card type as secured cashback purchase, APR 28.2, 4% variable 3% cashback. Asterisk in the category of your choice. Gas and EV charging stations, online shopping, including cable, internet, phone plans and streaming, dining, travel, drugstores and pharmacies, or home improvement and furnishings, 2% cashback asterisk at grocery stores and wholesale clubs, 1% cashback on all other purchases. Asterisk earn 3% and 2% cashback on the first $2,500 in combined purchases each quarter in each tier, then earn 1%. Helps build your credit while earning 3% cashback in the category of your choice. You can access your FICO registered trademark score updated monthly for free within your mobile banking app or in online banking. Access to credit education on topics like using credit cards responsibly, budgeting, and more. Set your own credit limit by putting down a secured. The Bank of America customized cash rewards secured makes sense if you want a secured card with a customizable earning rate. Note that there's an earning cap of $2,500 in combined purchases each quarter in the 3% and 2% categories. With this card, Bank of America conducts periodic account reviews to see if you qualify to have your security deposit returned. I deposit of $200 to $5,000.